Whoa, yeah. Look at it. Whoa. Nice. Sweet fish. Shell crackers. Red ear sunfish. Pan size. That's why they call them panfish, right? Oh, yeah. That's a fish. Yeah. You wouldn't even think bluegills get that big. They do. Man, look at that. Action is fierce today. That's a whopper. Who wouldn't want to catch that fish? Whoa, might be a catfish. Yeah, look at that. Channel cat. Nice. Put up a good fight on this little wimpy rod. Yeah. He had both the hooks in his mouth. Boom, that was fast. Look at him pull that drag. Ooh, that's another whopper. Yeah, shell crackers, fishing at its finest. In cold water, too.